Hey there! Happy New Year, happy 2022. I really believe that this is going to be our comeback year. If you agree with me, say yes in the comments that 2022 is going to be our comeback year. All right, so welcome to Fretboard Mastery Series, lesson number 24. In the last 23 lessons, we've really been uncovering different concepts within the minor pentatonic world, like sequences, the bends in the minor pentatonic, melodic patterns, the different positions, arpeggios, chord tones, etc. So we've really been uncovering a lot of things that you can do and sound great in just within the minor pentatonic world. We haven't gone yet into the major pentatonic or the modes of any of the scales, but we'll get there. And I really believe that it's foundational for an electric guitar player, whether you're playing blues, rock, jazz, metal, funk, that you have to really have a solid foundation of the minor pentatonic scale in all its positions, in any key, before you dive in elsewhere. Cool. So today we're going to talk about the E minor shaped arpeggio. Okay. So that is going to be in the first box, the first position of the minor pentatonic scale. So you should really know the intervals of what I just played. If you don't, you can always go back to the previous lessons. Okay. So anyway, here is the E minor shape arpeggio. Okay. So I mean, it looks like this E minor shaped bar chord. So we've got 1 flat 3 5 root, flat 3 5 root, flat 3, flat 3 root 5, flat 3 root 5, flat 3 root. So what can you do with this in your own soloing? So in and of itself, that is too much of it's a big structure, so it wouldn't really work well. But if you break it down into 3 notes at a time or 4 notes at a time, it will sound great. And so you've got these little triads: 1 3 5, 1 flat 3 5. You can use that in your soloing, and I'm going to demonstrate. Or you can use 4 at a time. So okay, let's see how that sounds like. So that was just a little demonstration of how you can use these 3 or 4 note sequences of the arpeggio. Okay, 1. So depending on also what rhythm you use, are you going to use eighth notes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 1? Or eighth note triplets? That sounds a lot better, right? 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3, or 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and so. Ah. 1. Ah, sorry. So that was eighth note triplets using the 4 sequence, and then we've got 1 and a 2 and that was a little 16th notes. Okay, so but really you can add that into your existing vocabulary, and it'll sound great because you can with arpeggios you can go up or down sort of the fretboard quite well, because you're jumping, you're not playing step by step like you would be in a scale. Work on that in just that one box, the E minor shape. All right, and then I will make videos using the other 5 caged shapes, okay, for minor. And then, just try and add it into your soloing now with all the licks you have. And let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. And if you got value from this, please like this video. And if you want to see more content like this, just subscribe, and we'll grow together as guitar players. Finally, if you have been looking for someone to work with, a guitar coach, a teacher, you can visit my website, guitarguideguru.com, and you can schedule a complimentary consultation with me on Zoom, where we can talk about your guitar goals and helping you get there. All right, so an incredible 2022. This year is gonna be an incredible year because last year was tough. So when you've hit rock bottom, you can only go up. All right, see you soon.